In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Uber Eats bicycle account. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to this website over here, and this is going to allow you to sign up for a Uber delivery account with bicycle or on foot. But here are the things that you need to do before you do this. So number one, you need to meet the basic requirements. So you must be at least 18 years old and have a valid government issued ID photo. So check this out. Once signing up, you will need to go ahead and select on delivery with bicycle or on foot under choose how you want to earn with Uber. So you will need to provide your name, your social security number, and date of birth in the driver application. You can do this both on mobile devices or of course on a desktop. I personally recommend doing this on a desktop because you're just able to see things a little bit better, but you can also do it on a mobile device as well. So you guys will also need to upload a valid government issued photo ID and a profile photo. You will also need to complete a background check, and they typically take 3 to 5 business days and are conducted by third-party providers. At that point, Uber reviews the report to determine your eligibility. So again, you really want to make sure that you do have a clean record before you try applying. And in terms of what type of ID you're able to use, you can use a driver's license, a state ID card, a city ID, or other government-issued documentation containing your photo that confirms your identity. So yeah, all you need to do is click on this link that says start your delivery journey here and begin the process from here. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.